Deep in the ocean's mysterious embrace, where sunlight barely penetrates, lies a world teeming with bizarre and fascinating creatures. Among them, the tiny Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish, also known as the immortal jellyfish, drifts through the water. This seemingly insignificant creature holds a secret, a biological marvel, that has captured the imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Unlike most animals, it can reverse its own aging process, effectively cheating death and resetting its life cycle. When threatened by predators, facing starvation, or enduring physical damage, it doesn't simply succumb to its fate. Instead, it transforms its adult body back into a youthful polyp, a pre-sexual stage resembling a tiny plant-like structure, essentially starting life over from scratch, like a phoenix rising from the ashes. This remarkable process, called transdifferentiation, involves the cells of the jellyfish reverting to an earlier state. It allows its cells to become any type needed for rebirth, effectively rewinding the biological clock and initiating a new life. The cycle can repeat endlessly, offering the jellyfish a chance to begin anew, time and time again. This unique ability is what makes this jellyfish biologically immortal, a creature that can theoretically live forever. However, this immortality isn't absolute, as it can still be cut short unless it's eaten by a predator, or succumbs to disease that overwhelms its regenerative capabilities. Imagine a butterfly, at the end of its life, turning back into a caterpillar, defying the natural order of things. It's a concept that challenges our understanding of aging and mortality again and again. In the timeless sea where the currents flow and the mysteries abound, this jellyfish stands as a testament to the boundless ingenuity of nature, a master of reincarnation, forever young. In quiet ponds, the hydra quietly rewrites the rules of aging. Its body is constantly renewed by powerful stem cells, replacing every cell within weeks. The hydra never grows old or weak, it's perpetually young. Cut it into pieces and each fragment becomes a new hydra. This tiny creature is a living engine of regeneration, defying time itself. The hydra is nature's proof that endless youth is possible. Behold the planarian flatworm, a creature unlike any other. These unassuming invertebrates possess abilities that border on the miraculous, challenging our very understanding of life and regeneration. It is a true master of regeneration, capable of rebuilding itself from the smallest of fragments, slice it into pieces, even seemingly insignificant ones, and each piece, defying all odds, grows into a complete, independent worm. It's an astonishing display of biological resilience. Even a sliver, a mere fragment of its former self, can regrow a head, complete with eyes and sensory organs, tail, and remarkably a fully functional brain. The implications are staggering. Its secret lies within neoblasts, these remarkable stem cells that make up a quarter of its entire body mass. They are the key to its regenerative prowess. What's even more astounding is that planarians can even retain memories, skills, and learned behaviors after completely regrowing their brains. As long as a fragment, no matter how small, manages to survive the initial trauma, so does the worm. Its essence, its being, continues to exist, making it functionally immortal, at least in the traditional sense. The planarian blurs the line between what we consider one life and the potential for many, challenging our very definition of individuality. Unlike us, lobsters don't age in the conventional sense. They possess a unique biological advantage that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. They not only grow stronger with each passing year, developing formidable claws and a robust exoskeleton, but also become more fertile, increasing their reproductive capacity as they mature. This is quite different from many other species. Their secret lies within an enzyme called telomerase, a remarkable substance that actively works to maintain the integrity of their DNA, effectively keeping their cells young and vibrant. This enzyme ensures efficient cell division, preventing the typical degradation associated with aging. As a result, lobsters never stop growing throughout their lives, continuously increasing in size and mass. However, this seemingly endless growth comes at a significant cost. With each molt, the process becomes increasingly riskier and more challenging for the lobster. The energy expenditure required for molting escalates, making each shedding of the exoskeleton more exhausting than the last. In fact, most lobsters ultimately succumb to the immense strain of molting, rather than succumbing to the effects of old age itself. They are essentially ageless titans of the deep, until their relentless growth eventually leads to a fatal molting event. Thus, in the vast expanse of the sea, even immortality comes with its own unique and often deadly price. The beetleoid rotifer survives not by regeneration but by resilience. When its pond dries up, it desiccates, entering suspended animation for years, even centuries. It can survive boiling, freezing, and radiation that shatters DNA. When water returns, it repairs its own genome, sometimes even adding foreign DNA. This microscopic survivor can endure total destruction and return renewed. The rotifer is a master of survival against impossible odds. The axolotl, forever young, is a champion of regeneration. Lose a limb and it regrows a perfect replacement. Bones, nerves, skin, even parts of its heart and brain. Its cells revert to a stem-like state, rebuilding lost parts flawlessly. No scars, just perfect healing. The axolotl is a living blueprint for regeneration. In its gentle smile lies the secret to rebuilding the body from scratch. Deep in the North Atlantic, the ocean quahog clam lives for centuries. Its secret is a slow metabolism and a stable, cold environment. Some clams have lived over 500 years, their shells recording the passage of time. Their cells resist aging, making them living time capsules. Sometimes the key to immortality is simply living slowly. The ocean quahog is a silent witness to centuries of history. These creatures shatter our ideas of life and death, showing that nature's rules are never absolute. They aren't invincible, but they've conquered aging in ways we can barely imagine. If you love exploring the mysteries of life, hit the like button and share your favorite immortal creature in the comments below. Thank you for joining this journey into the surreal. Stay weird and wired.